We sit down with Vivi Zhang, owner of iFun, and Atsushi Yoda, president of Kiddleton, to see what fun they are bringing to San Francisco Japantown for the holidays. Vivi explains the concept of iFun.
Yeah, so my store iFun, we started our business from last year's December, and also this is one of my hobby. So I used to do it at home and I used to sell it online, and I want to bring this concept to everyone because it's a good activity for everyone since we have a lot social media online. So kids only focusing their iPad, iPhone, social medias, and I want to bring kids back to normal, like playing the toys and play some workshop with their parents and with their classmates and friends.
Vivi talks about some of the other products she offers at iFun.
Oh, the most popular DIY thing is called Deco Cream. So people can do their own phone case and mirrors and photo frames if they don't have phone case. Like most of kids, they don't have phone, so they can do mirror, jewelry box, something like that. And I also sell a lot of brand boxes from Japan. Okay, and I also have some DIY jewelry. You can do jewelry bracelets, necklace, and also the phone charms.
We asked Vivi what age brackets come into her store.
6 to 80, I would say 6 to 80, because I see some of the grandpa, they come with their grandson or grandkids. They very well and they pay so well too. Yeah, I would say everyone.
Vivi explains what are the most popular items for the 6 to 80 age bracket, and this may surprise you.
I think photo frame. Yeah, photo frame. Yeah, because when they make it, they can give it to somebody. Yeah, they can give it to their friends and family as a gift. And a lot of travelers to come in here to make it too. You can bring it home right away. Yeah.
iFun is open 7 days a week, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Try to visit on the weekdays, as the weekends can be quite busy for decoration seating. We now move to one of the most popular game arcades in Japan, now available in San Francisco's Japantown. Originating in the US at the turn of the 20th century and popularized in Japan in the 1960s and 70s, the crane game captivates all ages and a challenge to get the quote-unquote prize. We briefly chatted with Atsushi Yoda, president of the US-based Kiddleton. Atsushi talks about Kiddleton.
はい、私たちキドルトンは2019年にアメリカ・ダラスに設立をしました。で、設立後すぐコロナのパンデミックになってしまったので、何かできないかなって考えていたときに、コロナウイルスパンデミックの中でアメリカのアニメのマーケットが非常に大きくなっていったっていう中で、日本と同じようなクレーンゲームのビジネス、そして、アニメの商品だとか日本の可愛い商品をやったら人気が出るんじゃないかと思って、このクレーンゲームのビジネスを始めました。
So we established the Kiddleton in 2019. Then as soon as we start this business, it hits the corona pandemic. Then I found out the anime industry is really popular in the US. Then we do have the claw machine history in Japan, and it will be probably popular in the US, and then we start having the claw machine kiosk in the US.
We asked Atsushi-san why San Francisco Japantown was attractive to Kiddleton.
やっぱりジャパンタウンは日本が好きな人たちが集まっている街で、前からすごくお客様が多い場所っていうのは知っていて、僕たちのビジネスもやっぱり日本が好きな人たちっていうのが一番のターゲットですので、ターゲットが合うなと思ってジャパンタウンの方に出店をさせてもらいました。
I already knew Japantown is very popular for the people who love anime or Japan stuff. So that's why we start business inside of the Japan Center.
If you're tired from shopping, you could take a break at Kiddleton. Kiddleton is located in the Japan Center West Mall in San Francisco's Japantown and is open Monday through Thursday, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., and Friday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is Greg Gloria for the Nichi Bei Cafe. Happy holidays!